So this video popped up on my For You page today. And I laughed because, you know, memes kind of go through this reduction process where they get reduced into their most basic elements. And it reminded me of another meme that has happened to over the years. And it's this one. It's orange and teal, brown, orange and teal. Although if you wanted to do a Perry the Platypus themed bathroom, that would actually be a really good way to do it. You've got the orange and the teal subway tile with a brown trim. They have a couple different colors of brown too. That's brown almost to the point of being black, but I think this color they call quarry red is a bright enough color that it almost looks like leather, like Perry's fedora.